Papa Singh, you heard, the concerns that people have, and these are real issues. Do you think that perhaps we need to fix accountability somewhere? It's perhaps the only sector with no redressal mechanism, isn't it?
Of course, you need to fix accountability, because if every time for a deficiency in service, and it is also called unfair trade practice, because when we are buying a ticket and we are catching a flight, we are under the presumption that everything would be good and we would get best of the services. So that is deficiency in service and an unfair trade practice. So for that, if you have to go to the consumer court, that takes years. In fact, sometimes the airlines don't even reply, and then after a couple of times only then they get back. So rather than and not every flyer has the capacity to go to a consumer court, spend money on a lawyer. They say okay for a small amount, but the DGCA itself should talk of compensation if the seat is broken, if the toilet is leaking, if the food is bad, stale, somebody's fallen ill. These things should be there. They should be made accountable. The airlines themselves should have a responsibility fixed, that if something like this happens, this is what would be the penalization or what would be the compensation. And the moment compensation, and then it is fixed on the people who are running that flight, who are responsible, the housekeeping. I'm telling you, automatically things will improve, because when the law provides that your services should be perfect up to the mark, your seats should not be broken, then if it is broken, so the housekeeping of the flight, the person who was responsible, he should be made accountable, his salary should be deducted, and the moment accountability comes, lot of things would be in order, because we know going to a court, going to a consumer court takes years, and that is the advantage these airlines have, that a person who's flown out of the country is not going to come back and litigate.